Class, this is a solution of exercise 6th A. First question is list the members of the given sets. So class, you make a list of this given set. So first question is the first 3 months of the year. So you all know the first 3 months of the year: January, February and March. So class, when you give the answer, you should write your answer within the bracket. Second question is find first 4 prime numbers. So first 4 prime numbers class are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the first 4 prime numbers. Third question is class odd numbers smaller than 8. You all know class odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. But class here they gave you smaller than 8. So you should stop after 7. So there is no need to write 9, 11, 13 and other numbers. So this is your answer. Next question is even numbers smaller than 10. You all know class even numbers are the multiple of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 and class here they mentioned the boundation smaller than 10. It means if you write 10 here, that is equal to 10, which is not allowed in this question. So only you mention 2, 4, 6, 8 because these are the number which are less than 10. So there is no need to write 10. The letters of the word school. So class in this time you can see in school the letters are S, C, H and O 2 times come here. So take O only 1 time and L. So answer is S, C, H and O. We can only take 1 time and L. So this is your answer. Next question is even positive integers that are divisible by 5. So class the number which are divisible by 5 definitely they are the multiple of 5 also. It's very simple. So the numbers which are the multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. So class the number which are divisible by 5, those numbers are also multiple of 5. You all know that. I told you factors and multiples. I told you in factors and multiples the number which are divisible by any number, that number is also multiple of that particular number. But class they give you condition here even positive integers. So tell me 10 is even positive integers. It means even integers. Yes, it's even integers. 15 is even integer or not? No, it's not. 20 is even integers. 25 is not a even integers because it's an odd number. 30 is even integers. 35 again odd number and 40 is even number. So your answer is 10, 20 and 30. So you can take this answer in bracket. Next question is the angle of triangle ABC. This is your triangle ABC, A, B and C. So find the angle, angle A, angle B and angle C. So your answer is angle A, angle B and angle C. Next is the number that differ from 5 by 1. Class the number that differ from 5 means if you add +1 and if you subtract -1. So 6 and 4 you will get and your answer is 4 and 6. So you can see 4 is differ from 5 by 1 and 6 is also differ from 5 by 1. So 4 and 6 is your answer. They only mentioned here class that make those numbers which have a 1 digit difference from 5. So 6 and 4 are the numbers which have a difference 1 from 5. Now class, question number 2 is write down the following sets in the description form. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. What do you understand by this? These all are the set of odd numbers. Yes or no? But class, if I write only the set of odd numbers, then the answer is not complete, because the set of odd numbers means class 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17. So it's a endless. So you have to make it bounded. So we can say the set of odd numbers which are less than 12. So now when I write less than 12, then it is bounded. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 is bounded by this description form. This is the second question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So class, first you just understand, when your set start with 1, then it's definitely natural number. This is your set of natural number. And if I'm talking about the set of whole number, the meaning is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So class, understand, your whole numbers included 0. So in this time also you can see 0 is here. So if 0 is here, then definitely it's a set of whole number. So your answer is the set of whole numbers. Understand class, in this time I am not using natural number, because natural number starts with 1 but whole number starts with 0, and it starts with 0. So our answer is also takes the whole number. So the set of whole number which is less than, till 5 it is here, so less than 6. Understand? Next is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So class, what is this? You all know it's a multiple of 5. So we can say the set of, now class, if I am using here multiple of 5, so I write here multiple of 5 less than 26, because our answer is still 25. But class, understand here the set of multiple of 5. So you can see multiple of 5 means class 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10. But 5 into 0 is also the multiple of 5 or not class? Yes. So we have to remove this 5 into 0. For that we have to mention here, we are excluded 0 here. So the set of non-zero multiple. So when I write non-zero multiple, the meaning is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can multiply 5 by all these numbers except 0. So that's why I use the word the set of non-zero multiple of 5, and answer is less than 6. It's very obvious. Now Tuesday and Thursday, there is no combination class, only you can see there is T and there is T. So we can say the set of days of week beginning with the letter T. So this is your answer, the set of days of week beginning with the letter T.